Hello there guys, what is up? It's been a while since I uploaded on this channel. Tomorrow I'm going to receive my MT3 keycaps, so I thought I'm going to try to hit like a last 100 words of these keycaps because I'm probably going to get used to MT3. So yeah, just as a little video to remind you that yeah, I'm back with more typing videos. I most likely love 10 fast fingers over monkey type these days. I don't know if it's the word, I don't know if it's the black on white thing, but this site really has been my favorite, just to say that. So let's get started. Let's see at which try are we going to get a good one. That was pretty good, 106. Definitely not my best, but the accuracy is there, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. So yeah, these are actually, I believe, OEM profile keycaps. Tomorrow I'm going to get my MT3 keycaps and I'm going to try that and see. Generally I love much more sculpted profiles, but this is kind of great. I especially like the look of it. It looks like a Lego or something, and the blank keycaps is always something to it's always a sight to behold for people who don't know about keyboards. That's just it guys, it's just tapping words with MTGAP layout or MTGAP layout. This has been thocky and I'm signing out. See you guys around.